Today, we're going to be talking about the theory of relativity, which was created by a genius scientist named Albert Einstein. Now, it sounds very complicated, but don't you worry, I'm going to be breaking it down for you to make it very easy to understand. So the theory of relativity is actually two main ideas: special relativity and general relativity. Both are about how things move and how time and space work. So let's focus on special relativity first. So imagine if you're in a car and you're driving really fast, almost as fast as the speed of light. What happens is, the faster you go, the slower time moves for you compared to someone who is standing still. This is called time dilation. Let's say you have a twin. If you go on a super fast spaceship and travel for a year, when you come back on Earth, your twin will be much older than you, even though you only experienced a year of time. This happens because time moves slower for you as you travel close to the speed of light. Now on to the other idea, general relativity. So this is all about gravity now. General relativity is essentially all about gravity, which is the force that pulls things down to the ground. And I made a video about gravity, so I suggest you go check it out. So Einstein said that gravity isn't just a force pulling things, but it's also a bend in space and time. So imagine putting a heavy ball on a trampoline. The ball makes a big dip in the fabric, of course. So now if you roll a smaller ball near it, the smaller ball will roll towards the big ball, just like how planets and stars bend space and time, making objects move towards them. So that's how gravity works. So when you're standing on Earth, the Earth's mass is bending space and time, and that is why we stay on the ground. So even though these ideas sound completely crazy, like that probably would never happen, they actually do affect us every day. For example, GPS satellites up in space need to account for both the effects of special relativity, because of how fast they move, as well as general relativity, because they're further away from Earth's gravity. So if they hadn't actually adjusted to this, then your GPS could be off by miles. So to wrap up, Einstein's theory of relativity shows us that time and space aren't just static things, they can bend and change depending on speed and gravity. And it might sound like science fiction, but this is the science that helps us understand the universe and even makes our technology work better every single day.